Elon Musk says Tesla will let other cars use its network of 25,000 plus superchargers by the end of this year. Oh,
that's nice.
Cool.
That's kind.
I have questions and I'm curious. Obviously, people would need some sorts of adapters. And would they pay a premium if they did not have a Tesla? Let's see. Tesla reached a milestone of 25,000 chargers worldwide in May. When Tesla first made its charging stations, there was no industry standard. Musk said that on Tuesday. Yeah, you had to have the Tesla proprietary connection and charger, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
So he was asked a question, and his reply was, that said, we're making our supercharger network open to other EVs later this year. We created our own connector as there was no standard back then, and Tesla was the only maker of long-range electric cars, implying that there was no proprietary intent to exclude the other electric advancements that were going on out there.
But yet you did that, though. You did that at the beginning, and now you're opening it up.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, it's
still cool, Will.
Good for him.
Hey, man.
You built an infrastructure, and yeah, just open it up.
When we had the straight pipes on the show, do you remember how big of a deal they were making of the supercharger network, saying that it was the reason to get a Tesla, that was a major drawback for all other EVs?
Mm-hmm.
So this decision here, what's surprising about it is it's seen, at least by their car enthusiasts, but I'm sure Tesla owners themselves, it's seen as a major advantage and reason to stick with the brand, the existence of the supercharger network. So does this take away some of Tesla's competitiveness by opening it up? Scroll down just a little bit more if you don't mind there, Will. Tesla launched 25,000. In June, the company unveiled a new 3,100-mile charging route from London to China. Yeah, I guess it was just a vague way in which he said it, but sounds real to me. So what does that mean? Is Elon truly more interested in the electrification at all costs?
Yeah, maybe it's just embrace EVs in general.
How does this help with Mars? If all of a sudden you have the greatest electric car charger infrastructure, and you open it up to everyone else, and everyone else is paying, can you make a margin on that?
I mean, if you have the infrastructure, you also can create your own price.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
That's what I meant right there.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, so look, I'm sure there's some incentive for doing something like this. The question is the offset. Here's the incentive for some level of reward for opening it up, and then the potential drawback that as a company, your own product takes a hit because it no longer has that advantage. But either way, like as a human looking at this seems awesome.